Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another brand new video, and I got you another exciting banger video because in today's video, not sure if you guys know the date, but today is the release date for these bad boys right here. Yeah, guys, you guys are looking at them right here. I got all the brand new 3 models of the current iPhone 13s. As you know, as of today's video, these just got released on September 24th of 2021, and it happens to be that I have all 3 models here on hand, and now I'm gonna unbox them and give you my first impressions. And of course, I had to get the 2 new Sierra blue colors as well as this new pink color for the iPhone 13. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, so I got the brand new 3 iPhones, guys. This is actually kind of unexpected because, me and my family upgraded our phones. As you guys know, I have a current iPhone XR, which is about 3 years old at this point, and it was time for an upgrade to say the least, and we got it. This phone right here, the iPhone 13, I got you the iPhone 13. I have no iPhone 13 mini, but that's not a problem. But we're going to unbox this bad boy first, the iPhone 13 in this new pink color, and it is a 128GB model. As you know, they no longer start at 64, which I'm finally glad that Apple upped the base storage to 128. So let's crack this thing open. Alright, so back here we have some seals which already kind of popped off. I haven't cracked these open at all. I literally just received these in the mail, guys. I'm not even kidding. Looks like the seal just kind of came it just kind of pulled off. But we do have another seal up here, and let's pull these seals off. It doesn't really look like they do much. I'm gonna pull this seal off right here. Pull that off, and let's crack it open, shall we? Cracking it open here, guys. Look at that right there. Trying to not drop the phone, but look at this, guys. Let me get a little closer. I feel like I'm pretty far away. Let me get very much closer. Look at that, guys. Ah, yes. Let's take it out of the package, and let's check what else we have before we get into the iPhone. Of course, Apple doesn't include a power brick anymore, or any AirPods or EarPods, I should say. We get some paperwork with some Apple stickers, which I'm about to pull out here. Of course, we got our SIM ejection tool, and that just fell on the floor. We got one Apple sticker. We got a quick start guide and our SIM ejector. And of course, at least they still include the USB-C to Lightning cable. And that's actually pretty much it for the box. Not sure if you can see, but it's way thinner this year compared to my iPhone XR box. And let's get into the phone now. As you can see here, we only have one layer of protective wrapping. Looks like they don't put any plastic on the back now, since Apple's trying to kind of save the world now. But let me be quiet for a second. Yeah. Let's pull that off. Ooh. Wow, guys. This is the cleanest phone I have ever held. You guys can't even tell that this is a pink color. It's actually very mild. In some light here, like in my case, it actually looks white. Here are the sides. We got those aluminum sides. We got the dual cameras. Wow, guys, my first impression on this thing is that, wow, this thing is clean. I'm about to power this on, but while this thing turns off, let's crack those other new phones. Alrighty, next up we got the iPhone 13 Pro, guys. I was about to say 12, but let's not get that confused. And let's crack this bad boy open. Pull these off here. Throw those to the side. Throw those all the way over there. Let's pull this out. And there it is, guys. There's the phone. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys right now. Let me put this to the side. Of course, we got our same things. I'm not going to pull this out just because you guys just saw. It comes with the same things. Same thing, USB-C to Lightning, and that's literally it for the box, except that this time the box is actually black to differentiate the pros and the non-pros. And back to the phone, let's take off this protective wrapping. Let me be quiet. Yeah, there it goes. Hopefully you guys were able to hear that. Wow, guys. Wow. Stainless steel sides, guys. We got that matte black. This is called the new Sierra blue color. I have all new colors here. Not sure if you can tell. This is the new blue for the pros. Sorry, guys. My light is pretty strong, so you guys probably can barely tell that it's a blue. About the same size as the 13. It is a little bit heavier, though. But these stainless steel sides are clean, guys. These things are glistening in this light. Wow, guys. We got the big camera hump. That is huge. And once again, I'm going to power this bad boy on. And once I get them all powered up, I'm going to show them to you guys. But wait. There's one more phone, guys. We can't forget the daddy of them all. The iPhone 13 Pro Max. Guys, right off the bat, this thing is bigger than my hand, this box. This one is my phone right here. Those other two were my sister's and my mom's phone. My mom's phone was the pink one, the iPhone 13, and the Pro, the 13 Pro, the original, not the Max, is my sister's. And then I have the daddy of them all right here. Take off the seals here. Man, I can't get the seal off. Now let's crack it open. Guys, I'm super excited. I'm trying to contain my excitement because usually when I get excited, I kind of don't even know what I'm saying. Oh my gosh, guys. Yet again, same color, guys, but just way bigger. Wow, this thing is massive, guys. Once again, you got Apple stickers and all your quick start guide and stuff like that. Next up, same thing, USB-C to Lightning. Back to the phone here. Let's take off the protective wrapping. Wow, guys, that is satisfying to say the least. Not as satisfying as other iPhones because, as you know, back then Apple used to put a bunch of plastic wrapped around the whole phone. And it was kind of a little bit more satisfying, but hey, at least I got the experience. But wow, guys, this is the 13 Pro Max right here. Once again, those stainless steel sides. Same blue color, just way bigger. And now let's look at all three phones. There you are, guys. We got a closer look of the brand new iPhones. Let's start with the 13 right here, not the Pro. And this new pinkish, kind of looks like a little salmon in certain angles. Let's not get that mixed up. Ooh, this thing is clean. Yet again, my first impressions. Turning it on now, we got the smaller notch this year. Wow, this thing is clean, guys. Next up, we got the 13 Pro right here, the smaller guy. This notch is smaller once again. Stainless steel sides though, and a matte glass back. Ooh, that thing is clean. And then the big boy, the 13 Pro Max. This thing is so big it can barely fit in my frame of the camera. Once again, a smaller notch, stainless steel sides, and of course that brand new Sierra blue color, which in some angles, guys, actually looks space gray, guys. But yeah, guys, that's my first impressions. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's very exciting video. Like I said, it was just my unboxing and first impressions video, but make sure to come back here on the channel to get a review of all three phones, guys, especially that 13 Pro Max, which is my personal phone. Guys, I'm super excited. I hope you guys are as excited as me. Drop below in the comments down below what you guys think of these brand new iPhones. Did Apple do enough? Well, you have to stay tuned and find out for that review video. But once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.